Hi everyone, welcome all LT Coders YouTube channel. I'm Eranda. This is the second video of the UI designing model. Actually, I have talked in previously about the importance of the HCI model. If you don't have watched that video, please come and watch. In this video, I'm talking about components of the HCI model. Actually, we can divide mainly three types of component model. Uh, that's a human user, computer, and interaction. If we talk about human user is interacting with the computer in order to accomplish something. In other words, he has a goal. Then let's see how to describe the human users. We can describe human users as an individual, a group of users working together, or a sequence of users in an organization. And also we can describe human users as follows: physical abilities, personality differences, skill differences, cultural diversity, motivation, special needs. Then let's see what are the different types of computer. Actually, there are a lot of types of computers in the market. Uh, uh, let's see what are those. Firstly, PC, for example, laptops, desktop, PDA, and a large scale computer system, a process control system, an embedded system, mobile computing devices, for example, wearable computers, mobile phone devices are some of these. Let's then next we will see what is the interaction mean. Interaction mean a communication between a user and the computer. Actually, we will describe that is in the previous video also. Yeah. Then interaction we can divide as direct and indirect. Direct mean a dialogue with feedback and control throughout the performance of the task. Indirect mean batch processing or intelligent sensors controlling the environment. Then we will see what are the goals of interaction design: uh, safely, effectively, efficiently, and enjoyably. Uh, Next, there are two types of interaction design: user-centered design, task-centered design. User-centered design mean in order to optimize the system functionality and resources, human user is considered main stakeholders to satisfy. Task-centered design mean tasks are what the user is carrying out in a way he or she wants. Yeah, that's all. Um, Actually, I talk very briefly this fact, but don't worry. I will describe in depthly one by one in the next future videos. Um, yeah, and also if you learn something new, please like and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's all. Then see you in the next video. Bye bye.